How to change font size on Google Docs mobile. So if you want to change the font size on Google Docs mobile, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your documents, and you can go with an existing document, or you can go with a new document. And once you're here, now for example, I'll be choosing a text. So if you want to change the font size of this text, then you just need to simply select the text. Once you've selected, now go with A icon, which is on the upper side. Tap on the A icon and you'll have this kind of interface. So you can simply choose the font. So you can go with the font size, which is 11 right now. I'll be choosing 24 and it has been changed. And you can also go with the font. You can change the font and the normal text like heading, subtitle, heading 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. That's how you can change the font size on your Google Docs mobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.